What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. It's Morissette. I have reacted to Morissette like maybe once, maybe twice. We'll be down a link down in the description, you guys, if I can find it. Through the Rain by Morissette Amon. We're gonna get into it. I do believe this is live. She has a beautiful blue dress on. So enough talking, guys. Let's get into it. This was requested on a marathon video, so let me know, guys, how you guys feel. If you guys want Morissette to stay on this channel, if you guys think she has a beautiful voice, make sure you smash that like button and hit that red one. Ooh, I'm about to fall off my chair. And hit that red one, you guys. Let's go. Let's see how it gets. Oh, this is a cover. How pretty does she look? She's doing a great job so far. You're the person recording it. She do make you want to sing. Okay. She hitting the notes very good. It's very motivational. I love this song too. See how she went deep with it? Controlling her voice. That was awesome. She did an awesome job controlling her voice. How awesome was that, you guys? You could feel like you can tell that she's very passionate about what she does. Like she is passionate about it. The blue and the purple scenery just made everything go together, made it more live. I felt like she controlled her voice. Awesome job controlling her voice. Awesome job controlling her voice. Because you know, some people do covers. I'm pretty sure this is Mariah Carey's cover, right? Some people do covers and it's just like she shouldn't have sung that. But this one, Through the Rain by Morissette, I think she did an awesome job, especially covering Mariah Carey. Like I feel like she did an awesome job. Now, of course, her voice didn't hit the high notes like Mariah Carey did, but this is her own style. This is her own version to this song, so that's totally okay. As long as her fans love it, as long as she loves it, you could tell she loves the music. So I was feeling you guys. Through the Rain by Morissette. If you guys like Morissette, smash the like button, hit that revenue, you guys. Let me know what other songs she has that you guys want me to do, and I'll get to them, you guys. Of course, smash that like button and hit that revenue, you guys. Let's go.